You are the first person I think of when I wake up every morning. I love you more each day, more than yesterday, and certainly less than tomorrow. Your arms feel more like home, more than any home ever do. There are 7 billion smiles in the world, and yours is the one that set my heart on fire. My best love was chocolate, and then you came around. I love you because nobody has ever given me the love that you have given me. I love you because you always make me feel that I worth something. I love you because you make me smile when I forget how to. I love you because you have a huge and honest. I love you and every little detail about you. I love you because you are the best lover in the entire world. My favorite place is inside your hug. I could start fires with what I feel for you. I can't imagine my life without you. I cherish you above anything else in my life. I love you more than you will be loved by anyone. I have never thought I would be so in love someday in my life. I don't know what love meant while I meet you. You make me complete, you make me smile when I have no reason to. I love you yesterday, I love you still, I always have, I always will. I am so lucky to be in love with a man like you. I love you more than all the stars in the sky. I love you as soon as I wake up. I love you when I sleep. I wish you are always here next to me. When I tell you I love you, I am not saying it out of habit. I am reminding you that you are my life. If I would choose between breathing and leaving you, I would use my last breath to utter I love you.